BS6 truck is an advanced digital system. But the truth is, the problem is not in the truck, it is in the way we use it. Plan continuous long distance trips whenever possible. Even a small mistake can turn into a major expenses. Do you keep the engine running while the truck is standing idle? If yes, your diesel expenses are increasing every month. Do you own a BS6 truck? Are you worried about increasing maintenance cost and frequent sensor issues? From the outside, BS6 trucks may look perfect, but on the ground, why do sensors fail frequently? Why do profit reduces? Let us understand everything in detail in this video. Welcome to Logics by FR8. Here you can explore trucking and logistics with clear expert insights. First, let us understand where the problem is. Many people think the BS6 truck itself is the problem. But the truth is, the problem is not in the truck. It is in the way we use it. A BS4 truck is a mechanical machine that can be handled quite easily, but a BS6 truck is an advanced digital system. It comes with sensors, ECU, DPF and SAS system. Because of this, even a small mistake can turn into a major expenses. Since BS6 technology is highly advanced, our knowledge and maintenance practices also need to be updated. If you treat it like a high-tech machine, it can become a machine that generates profit for you. But if you don't use it correctly, the same truck can drain your money. Most of the BS6 problems start with the AdBlue. What is AdBlue? AdBlue is not just a chemical. It is a liquid made by mixing 32.5% urea and 67.5% deionized water. AdBlue enters the exhaust system and converts harmful emission into safer gases. But this is where many problems begin. Some owners allow the AdBlue level to become too low. Some try to save the money by using poor quality AdBlue. If the urea quality is not proper, deposits start forming inside the SAS system. Do you know what happens then? The injector gets blocked and the truck enters limp mode. What is limp mode? When the truck detects a serious issue, the engine tries to protect itself. As a result, the truck will not operate at full power and will run only at a reduced speed. This condition is called limp mode. If even a single trip gets cancelled because of this, the owner can lose around 10,000 or more. The loss becomes much bigger than the money you tried to save. So always keep your AdBlue level above 25%. Refill it immediately when that warning light appears. And always use good quality AdBlue. Only then will the system remain safe and fuel efficiency improve. Next, let us talk about DPF blockage. In city driving conditions with constant stop and go traffic, the engine often fails to reach its required operating temperature. The DPF needs around 400 degrees Celsius to clean itself properly. What is DPF? DPF stands for diesel particulate filter. It is a smoke filter present in your BS6 truck's exhaust system. What does it do? When diesel burns inside the engine, soot and particulate matter are produced. The DPF captures these particles and prevents them from being released in the atmosphere. Do you know what happens when the DPF gets blocked? Mileage drops, maintenance cost increases. So what is the solution? Plan continuous long distance trips whenever possible. Only when the system stays clean can maintenance cost reduces and profit increases. One important point. If you want to double the life of your DPF, always use API CK4 grade engine oil in your BS6 truck. If you use ordinary engine oil, the ash content in the oil will gradually accumulate inside the filter and cause permanent blockage. Replacing the filter can cost lakhs of rupees. Now, let us talk about diesel loss. Do you keep the engine running while the truck is standing idle? If yes, your diesel expenses are increasing every month. In BS6 truck, excessive idling causes the DPF to get blocked more quickly. Similarly, sudden acceleration and horse braking also affect the system. Smooth driving and proper gear shifting helps to improve fuel efficiency. Even if you buy the best truck available in the market, if the driver does not maintain and operate it properly, it can still become a loss-making asset. That is why providing BS6 training to drivers is one of the best investment can owners do. That is why providing BS6 training to drivers is one of the best investment an owner can make. Sensor care is extremely important. Finally, remember that BS6 sensors are highly sensitive. Even a small issue should be checked immediately. Have you ever wondered why sensors fail frequently? One common reason is improper washing. When washing the truck with high pressure water, never spray directly onto the sensors or SCR nozzle. This can cause electrical short circuit and leads to expensive repairs. By simply avoiding this mistake, maintenance cost can be reduced significantly. Then you can avoid breakdowns, reduce downtime, save diesel, increase profit. At the end of the day, every rupee you save becomes your profit. Do you think these tips will help BS6 truck owners? Share your thoughts in the comment section, and thanks for watching.